Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. First, you have to press Windows, then press Tab, then using arrow keys, navigate to Settings, press Enter to open it, press Tab once, and use down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices. Open this section, then press Tab 5 more times until you hit the devices section. Use down arrow key to navigate to touchpad, then open it. Then using spacebar, you can toggle your touchpad and check if it works after you toggle it on. And if it's not, don't worry, press Alt F4. Then press Windows and search for Device Manager. Once you find it, press Enter, then press Tab and use down arrow key to navigate to Human Interface Devices. Press right arrow key to expand this list, then use down arrow key to navigate to I2C HID device. Press Enter to open this device's settings, then press Tab several times until you hit the General section. Use right arrow key and then press Tab 3 more times until you hit Disable Device option. Press Enter, then left arrow key to select Yes, and press Enter again. Now press Enter once again to turn your device back on and see if it works right now. And in case it doesn't, press Tab once again to select Uninstall Device option, press Enter, Enter again. Now press Alt F4 combination of keys, use it once again, use down arrow key to select Restart, press Enter and wait until your device is restarted. And once your laptop is restarted, check if your touchpad works again. And in case it's not working, check the previous step that we went through, like go into Settings, to Bluetooth and Devices, Touchpad, see if it's enabled right here, and in case it is, and it's still not working, then contact HP Customer Support Service. I'll tell them about this issue, and if it's a hardware problem, then head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. And that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.